Hello, and welcome to Where They Stood, a presentation by the Mill Museum and presented also by the Last Green Valley. My name is Bev York, and I'm from the museum. Right now, I am standing in the historic industrial village of South Windham, Connecticut. And this is where two gentlemen, Smith and Winchester, also stood. They lived here and worked here in the buildings behind me. Smith and Winchester did an amazing thing. They revolutionized the paper industry by manufacturing the Fordrinier machine. Fordrinier machines make paper that comes out in a roll. Prior to that, paper had to be made one piece at a time by hand. But with their machine, it could come out in an entire roll, thereby making the book printing industry and the newspaper industry more plentiful and more affordable. So this is where Smith and Winchester stood.